Welcome back, everyone. I'll go ahead and show you exactly how to slow down a video on TikTok. Process is very easy. All you need is TikTok itself and Snapchat. As long as you have those things in your set, all you have to do is make your way over to TikTok and you want to download the specific video that you want to go ahead and actually slow down. So before, we could have actually just used a link, but this time around we do have to actually download the video on our phone. To do this, all you have to do is go to the video that you want. You want to go and select the three dots right there, and you want to click save video. It is pretty much the second option right here. You want to go ahead and save the video on your phone. Once you go ahead and do that, all you have to do now is to make your way over to Snapchat. It's a very easy app. I'm sure everyone already knows what it is. Now, TikTok actually has the capability of slowing down videos, but we have to bring it in. So the very first thing you want to do is swipe up from the bottom, and you'll start to see this memory stuff. You'll see a couple different options down here. You'll see, whatever this is, stories, camera roll. You want to go and click camera roll right here. And once you click on camera roll, as you guys can see, you'll see a bunch of different things, but specifically you'll see the video that you just downloaded. So all you want to do is click on the video that you just downloaded right here. And once you do that, you'll start to see the video that you just actually downloaded. So all you have to do now is click edit, which is right here. It's going to process through, and as you can see, it pretty much looks like a video that we just took on Snapchat. So all you have to do now is swipe to the side just like a couple of times until you get into the slow panel, which is this one. And as you can see, it is now the slow screen, and it's basically it's just a video of it which is slowed down. So that's essentially all you have to do. And now you can re-download this video if you want to, but this is essentially how you go and see videos in slow motion on TikTok. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly, everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.